BF Resort Pickleball Club. Ang bigat. BF Resort Pickleball Club Private Group was created June 14, 2024.
Ano mga background?
By myself and Winston Alcantara. Pero partner, si Winston, sorry to break it to you, hindi yun yung birth ng BFRPC. Hindi June 14. Hindi rin April 21, 2024. Sorry to break it to former president. Hindi rin siya. Pero, not to undermine what they did on that afternoon, although, to be fair with them, not in any conversation, they claimed it to be the start of the club. But for what it's worth, that initiative of lining up the court created a spark. What happened from April 21, 2024 to June 14, 2024 wasn't our doing. Wala kami kinalaman doon. Naniniwala ba kayo sa destiny? Or God's will? Or universe? But call it what you wanna call it, pero walang pwedeng mag-claim, not a single person in this very moment and place can claim na siya ang nagbuo ng BFRPC. Why? Because everything happened organically, I promise. Yeah?
Amen!
Nagsimula ang lahat sa, kagaya ng pickleball game, nagsimula ang lahat sa service. 002! After ng April 21, nagkaroon ng clamor na magkaroon ng pickleball program ang village. Ang isa sa pinakamaingay na mag-lobby, o in short, mangulit, ay ang sensei natin lahat, ang wowo natin lahat, Coach Francis Gutierrez. Yan ang nag-lobby na magkaroon ng pickleball program. Pinaka-sober ngayong gabi. Obviously. Not knowing na nag-uusap na si Anthony Dulce, Coach Amy, and Coach Jen. Nagsasabay yung wavelength ng lahat na magkaroon ng pickleball program. Mag-chime in kayo ha, Coach Francis. Please chime in. It turns out, naglalaro na silang lahat elsewhere sa isang club na hindi rin nalalayong edad sa atin. Ang Las Piñas Pickleball Club. Ang unang established club sa ating humble city. But this is not about them. This is not about them. It's about us. All this time, may plan na ang ating board of directors simula nang mai-grant sa BFRB Homeowners Association Incorporated ang pag-manage ng BFRB Fitness Hub or Heritage Homes Court. Vampires. There's one name who played a very significant part on keeping it busy. Malaki din ang naiambag niya sa pagbuo ng BFRTC. That name is Antbox. But, make no mistake. Mind you, Anthony Dulce is a businessman. A cutthroat businessman. But he's a businessman with a heart. Sa tulong ng team Solid BFRB, HOA BOD, at ng mga volunteers from Press U1, Cathy and Jonathan Umali, si Brady Makatangay, si Rag Masalta, and Antbox, the first pickleball program was launched. First Saturday, it was with our friends from Tahanan Village and UPS4, si Team Medel. Naalala niyo si Team Medel. And the 2 Saturdays after that, it was Coach Amy and Coach Jeng. After that first pickleball program, nagkaroon ng Viber group chat, yung BF Resort Pickleball Group, Viber group. So, kailan ang anniversary? It was May 25, 2024. Happy anniversary, guys. The numbers in our jersey, by the way, yung jersey natin, yung first 15 number, yun ang first 15 attendees nung pickleball program. Yes! Ganun kami ka-sentimental. Okay, so we'd like to honor the person and names I've mentioned. Salamat sa inyo. Kung baga sa game ng pickleball, that was the service or 002. Anong kasunod ng service? The return of service. So one open play initiated by Coach Amy and Coach Jen led to another open play until it becomes weekly, then nightly, and daily. Naalala niyo ba yung hashtag araw-araw pickleball? Si BFRB? The fuck? What happened from May 25 to June 14 was truly eye-opening. Ayan na siya! I was just talking about it. Naalala ko nung tumawag sa akin si Winston na, Mike, mga 10 o'clock yun, buo tayo ng club. He was crying. Dahil joke lang, he wasn't crying. He was weeping. No, he wasn't weeping. Then, minessage ako ni Winston na, Mike, buo tayo ng club. Sige, game. Tapos, hindi, alak. What Winston, Kuya Jonard, and I had to do was to create an online space so we all can share what we call the pickleball fever. And, okay, you know I love having conversations. Gusto ko yung kwentuhan, sobrang extrovert ako. Once in a while, a member would come up to me and tell me their story. Meeting you guys is not an accident. I think it was a gravitational pull. May member tayo na business venture niya, hindi kumita. We have a member battling alcoholism. We have a member battling gambling problem. A member with a serious illness. A member with a mental health problem. A member who lost a loved one. It gets dark from there, pero lahat sila dala-dala yan sa community. In one way or the other, naghahanap tayo ng sense of community. And found it through the game of pickleball. In hindsight, on the surface, BFRPC is a pickleball club, but at its core, we serve as a support group to each other. An extended family. We'd like to thank the following members who helped us in the past events. Sila ang nagpatibay ng community spirit ng ating club. Every potluck and every event for the past year, their presence is almost an assurance na walang uuwing gutom. So babanggitin ko yung ilang pangalan. Yung hindi ko mababanggit, hindi sila nagpapabanggit. And we would like to leave it at that. Tita Gina Almedita. Ate Angie Gudines. Ang laging tanong sa akin ni Ate Angie, may kaninong Gcash ko isi-send? Si Tito Louie, Tita May Dalara. Si Ate Cynthia Leisure. The Hervasios. The De La Cruz. Kuya Ray. The Onofres. Si Toto. Si Doc Pao. Si Richie. Si Yela. Si Kuya Gus. Ang Unlikely Family. Ang Tablo Fam. Si Paolo. Si Kuya Jasper. Si Marco Clemente na may event ngayon. At yung ang mga kaibigan natin sa BF Resort Tennis Club and Pelota Tennis Club. Maraming salamat for, i-venue kami. Your help was so compelling. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the return of service. Now, the third shot. Now, it's the new set of officers' turn. Nico, Ari, Daisy, RJ, Kuya Gus, and Kuya Don. It's their turn to make the third shot. Kung drive sa baseline or drop to the kitchen line, para sa mga officer natin ngayon, we'd like to reassure you na nasa likod nyo kami. And kagaya ng gasgas nating tagline, we are all rooting for you. So with that, I'd like to propose a toast. Raise your glasses, everyone.
Hey! Peram.
Raise your glasses. Ano man yan? Canned beer, tubig, juice, barbecue, Shanghai, what? What's natin? And sabay-sabay to our club, to our community, and to all our aspirations on and off the pickleball court. Cheers! Happy anniversary sa atin.